Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and I am very excited to do this. So this is the Gaahleri TurboX mini compressor kit with the GHAD-39 airbrush. And I am an affiliate with Gaahleri, so if you would like to get this compressor and airbrush, you can use my code. I'll put it on screen and a link in the description and maybe in the comments. The code where you can go get a nice discount, and from that discount I will get a bit of money back from that purchase at no extra cost to you. So yeah, that would be greatly appreciated. So let's have a little look in here. Let's just look at the back quickly. So here is the compressor. This is all the bits. So it's the airflow. It's there. Rated pressure 8 to 36 psi. Operating noise is 40 decibels. Maximum pressure 48 psi. Pressure adjustment 18 levels. And compressor net weight is 0.6 kilos. And then the airbrush down here. It's double action airbrush with a 0.35mm needle, and the paint cup capacity is 1/4 ounce, and the air hose is 6 feet long. So let's crack in and have a look at this. Very nice opening. So here's the instructions. They're all in different languages. I will have a look at that because I've never airbrushed before. This is my first airbrush. Move that over there. So here we are. You see how beautiful this looks? And here we've got some spares. We've got some rings and some little washers. Boring bits out the way first. So in here we've got the airbrush holder, which goes onto the compressor, and this here is the power supply for the compressor, which we will look at shortly. Let's have a look at the compressor first. So here we go, this is the compressor. On the back here it is here are the suction cups, so it just, you know, won't vibrate off your desk, just in case. On the back here you have got what your power supply goes into. And then here is a neat thing that Gaahleri did, is that if you put like a smaller fine nozzle or needle in, you can just move it across, and you can do that. And then for the standard stuff, you just pop it back on there. Warning, high temperature. It also pops up on here as well. That's where air hose goes into. And then just in this bit here, you get a little airbrush holder. So this is very neat, and also it's got like a nice digital display there as well with this. So let's move that to the side for a small minute. Let's look at the greatest thing I've ever seen in my life, the Gaahleri airbrush. As I said, it's a GHAD-39 double action, so presses on for air, pull back for paint. And this little bit on the back here, you can move that to limit how much you can pull the trigger back. So that's all the way, and that's nothing, but move it back a little bit, you can have it like a little bit for nice fine lines. And if I just take the crown off, you see the needle in there, see that just coming back. Let me just put that back to where it was. About there. It feels really expensive. It's got like a nice weight to it as well, which I quite like. Just put the crown back on it. And now let's put the paint cup on it. And also that's where you put your air hose onto. So bear with me whilst I get this out. Here is the paint cup. This is the 1/4 ounce. See in there. Oh, bloody hell. Right. So that's there on there. I'm so excited. I just keep looking at it like I've never held an airbrush before. So it's very nice to just hold one. I don't know which feels better, right hand or left hand, because I am left-handed, but I don't know. We'll soon find out when spraying. That does feel the best though. Yeah, I think left hand. Got a little protective cap there. Now, actually, let me just show you the compressor here with the airbrush straight into the holder. It fits in there very nicely. In fact, I might just have it at that angle, and you can just whip it out and it's ready to go. Pop that in there. Oh, you can't really see that, sorry. Very nice. I'm very happy with this. Thank you so much, Gaahleri. Now, let's have a look at the hose, which is just under here. Very nice black hose. So here is said hose. Let's just get these bits off. This is a completely, this review is just purely on what I think. They haven't paid me or told me what to say. This is just pure, say what you like type thing. Which I already know this is going to be amazing, so. And I've never airbrushed before, so. Oh yes, that is proper. Look at that. I guess it's quite nice to just like hold on to and like spray. Let me just tidy this up quickly. Here we go. I've tidied that up nicely so it's not as in the way. But yeah, this bit here which I've put in there, it's really nice to just like put your finger and rest it on there and just. But yeah, I'm just so excited to spray. But let's go and plug it in. I'm very sorry about the lighting, but we are here down here and we're going to do a little noise test and turn it on. So let's just, oh, it would help if I turned the plug on, wouldn't it? There we go, look, we've got a light. Right, PSI. Oh. Oh, that is very quiet. And then when you stop spraying, it actually comes off the, it actually stops. If you hear that, look. See that? Now let's turn up the PSI. Okay, 7.5 PSI. Let's go up to max, shall we? What's this, like 10 PSI? Let me know in the comments, because on here it says, if you see there, 26, but when I go on it, if I turn it just down a little bit, let me take this sticker off. Oh, that looks so nice. Let me just turn that down back to level 1. So it says 20 psi, and then I pull back and it goes to 6. I don't know why it does that, and interesting. And then if I turn up to 4, it goes up to 8, 9, 10. This is very, very cool, and I will say that is extremely quiet, and therefore it won't annoy your parents or your other half in the house. So there you go, nice and peaceful airbrushing for you and the family. So yeah, I'd highly recommend this. And I'll watch this. Look. Oh. Oh no. There's a wrap on there and it's meant to come off, and the thing just broke off in my hand. Oh no. Oh well. Well, it'll be alright, I hope. But yes, that's my unboxing and sort of first impressions on the airbrush. So thank you very, very much for watching this video. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and check out the Gaahleri and their website. And as I said, check in the description and pinned comment for a link and a discount code to Gaahleri. And I'll put a link to this there as well. So thank you very much for watching, and happy airbrushing and modelling. Goodbye.